Blossoms. It's Bloom here, and today I want to do something creative. I want to do the Euphoria like inspired makeup, but I want to use the Blue Blood palette today. Hence the blue in the background, the half and half wig, kind of, I don't know, feeling creative. So I already did my base. So we're just going to do the eyes today. So let's get started. So we're gonna work on doing the crease. What I like to do is I like to start off with the light shade. So I'm gonna take I'm Cold and dip in with like a fluffy brush and just like buff it in.
This can't be it for us. We're still so young. We say we're growing older. Got weight upon our shoulders.
That's kind of what we want to do. We want to build the color up. We don't want to start off harsh. That's no. One strand just floating. Unless you have it light, what I like to do is kind of depends on like the color you want to do. Do you want to do dark? It's kind of like my style. I like to do like, I'm thinking like a darker blue. I know that I have like kind of like an aqua color, but I'm thinking of going in with the actual color Blue Blood right here and just kind of throwing that in my crease. You can take the same fluffy brush. Honestly, I usually use like the same brush on repeat. I don't use a bunch of brushes. I think that's just more expensive to buy brushes, so I try to like keep as minimum. I mean, I have a lot of brushes, but you know, minimum use. So if you see that, like I didn't put it like all the way up, just like below. So I'm gonna take two shades. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Blue Monday, and I'm gonna mix it in with Power right here. I'm gonna use like a pencil brush. Gotta make sure it's clean. So you just mix it, and it should be kind of like, see, it kind of dilutes it, and then we're just gonna put it right here, the outer.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming.
Ocean Ice, this kind of color. The shimmer. So you see where we have it like dark?
Got weight upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us. We're still so young.
Then I'm gonna take Deceased right here. And I'm gonna put it right here.
So young, think we know everything. We don't know anything. But time doesn't move slow. Feel the pressure on me. I think I might go crazy.
We're gonna take okay, I don't know this word, but we're gonna take this one right here, the white, and just pop it the rest of the way through. Now, up to you. I'm gonna take some Fix Plus to make it more vibrant.
Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're
Now we're gonna take our eyeliner, and I'm gonna do like a wing. Sorry, I have to like, I mess up.
I know this can't be it for us. We're still so young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do mascara, and then I have my eyelashes on the side because we're gonna apply them while they're drying.
Feel my body aching. I feel like I'm breaking. And I know it all too
Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and apply my eyelashes, and then I'll be back. And we're back. So, well, that makes a big difference. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on the bottom. I usually like to just get the top part done so that I don't feel like to do much, then work on the bottom. So we're gonna go back in with that blue blood shade, the one that we did in the crease, like before all the other blue, and just kind of.
growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us. We're still so.
And just dip into that blue Monday. Don't take the other color.
I'm still so young.
So this is optional. You could do this. I'm gonna go ahead and do some of this aqua glitter that I have, and it's called Aquaholic. I'm gonna go ahead and run that through. Like my bottom, I'm kind of iffy. I know it's kind of like a different consistency, so I might drag it down, kind of like Euphoria, but I'm not sure yet.
But time doesn't move slow. Feel the pressure on me. I think I might go crazy. Oh, one too many years go.
Then what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Also, by the way, that was from my Tarte palette. That's why I said you don't have to do it because it's not in the Jeffree Star. You could take the same shades here and apply it down there. I just wanted to go for that more like glitter, like in your face effect. I just gapped what I was gonna do next. I'm gonna go home maybe with this blue eyeliner and kind of put it in.
We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us. We're still
So kind of like that. And then you're gonna want to take a white eyeliner, and then we're gonna go right here.
still so young. Young, 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 young.
Just like that. Now that we did that, we'll go ahead and do our mascara. mascara on our bottom lash line. And now we're complete with the eyes. So you could stop here, but this is where my desire comes in for gemstones. I just need a reason to put things on my face. So that being said, I'm gonna go in with 2 sets of different stones. So I'm gonna take these silver ones. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them up here.
Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, 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 too many.
Few inches later.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some more gems. I know, I don't stop there. I'm just gonna take these cute little stars right here and put them in. Also, I know that I plugged my best friend for like buying me these, but she uploaded today on her YouTube channel, and I always got a lot of questions on how I did my purple hair and back when I dyed it, and she just uploaded how she dyes her hair purple, and she's the one who told me how she does it originally. So you should definitely go follow her and watch the video. It's amazing. Her YouTube right here. Now we're gonna go all out. How did that happen? Did you see that? Oh my god.
Eventually.
So now, this is what we're dealing with.
One too many years going by, I'm caught in an action, I can't rewind. And in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out.
Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hope you tune in next week. I'm going to be doing a yellow look next week. I always get compliments on my yellow eyeshadow, so next week I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye!